So welcome, girls. I'm going to explain the task. Today is to complete a listening, reading, and writing test. It's a quiz on Educandos on Unit 2, Week 8. You can find the quiz. Yes, it's this. This is the one, the midterm test. So the midterm test, oh, sorry, the girls are coming. The midterm test is this online version, requires the completion of reading, listening, and writing exercises to be accomplished in the time available for the test. All right. That means you have only one trial, so you cannot finish the test and start again. Yes, but you can go and come into the test along the afternoon. Yes. Okay. So if you click here, we're going to another screen, el intento. Okay, so you will see like this. So this is your view. You're going to see you have a text. The first is the text that you have to read. Is on the topic of technology in education. So it's still the topic we have been reading and talking, listening about. You might have some words that are new, but that's normal, yes? Normal to find words that are new, yes? And it's adapted from, this is very recent, adapted from the World Bank website. Okay, el Banco Mundial. Okay, next page. So here you have the first exercise. That is a multiple choice exercise, yes, on the text. So you can go back to the text and come back because the text you are going to analyze in sections. So the first section, if you want to come back, you go back, you read the first section and you go to the question, yes? You can go and come back so that you pay attention to the section you're working with. So here, read the prompt and choose the correct option. Next page is it is a matching. Okay, so let me check, I will refresh. This is a matching exercise. So you have here different figures. Estas cifras se llaman figures. And you need to match what do they refer to. So it's one figure per description. So this is easy. It is in the text. So you have to go back to the text and come back to the exercise. Next page. Next page. So can you see the new page? ¿Pueden ver cada nueva página?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, because if not, if I have to refresh, you have to tell. Question 3 is again about the middle section of the text. Yes, and it has a question for reference. And you have to decide whether the following statement is true or false. So you read again the section, check this one, is it true or false? And you answer. So as you see, it is not very long. It shouldn't take you very long, though you need to read with paying attention to what you read, as you already know. Yes, and also remember, apply strategies that we saw last year, yes, to understand the meaning of some words in context, for example. And if not, you still have time to check the meaning of words. Okay, the second multiple choice exercise has this prompt. The World Bank offers support to partners that, and you need to choose the correct option. Next. There is another matching exercise, but here you have distractors. So you only have 3 prompts, but you have 5 sentences to choose from. Yeah, so here you have some distractors. So this is another matching exercise, but with an extra difficulty. Okay. Everything is in the text. So you will be reading the text several times by this time. The final question is a short answer. It's a short answer. This is an extract from the last part of the text. What do you think about the following sentence from the text? Education is about human connections and relationships. And my question for you to answer is, how is this idea about education connected to technology? So this is an answer, it's an open answer. There's no right or wrong, it's your understanding of this sentence and how education and technology are connected. Yes. You have a number of words and you explain your ideas using the vocabulary from the text and all the vocabulary you already know in reference to technology and education and that relationship, yes, the connection. Okay. Next. Here we start the listening comprehension section, and this is a video, technologies that will change classroom education. Watch and listen to the following video and take notes. You already know this strategy. Pay attention to the words you already know. Of course, you have the video to support your understanding. Then, you also have a multiple choice. So you have the time to read the exercise and come back to the video, yes, which is the one, applications mentioned in the video, which is the one, sorry, this wrongly written. I have to rewrite this, which is the one we're talking about application program that it has not been developed for education so far. Yeah, so I will edit this question. Okay, which is the one, and I mean technological items, programs, and applications. And applications, okay. All right, sorry for that. Okay, so you have the listening, which is the technological item, programs, or applications that has not been developed for education so far. So you listen again to the speaker and you will notice that there is one of these application or technological item or development that has not been developed in education yet.
Sorry, teacher.
Is something for the future.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Sorry for the delay, but I'm late. And what are we doing right now?
I am explaining the quiz, Phoebe. So we will finish and then we will go back to explain the first part. The first part is a reading exercises.
Yes? Is it a midterm or not?
Yes, this is a midterm. And this is the listening. Yes. So the second exercise on the same listening video is about a second question. Virtual reality viewers can be used as, and again, you need to choose another multiple choice. The final multiple choice is the use of books uploaded to the cloud provides with data on multiple choice of prompts. Okay. Then there is a second listening, and this is a podcast. Yes, it's a podcast called Digital Detox. You know what detox is because you know detox in food, for example, food detox or coffee detox when you want to get rid of, sacarse eso que me desintoxico, yes? So this is the kind of kind of detox, but this is the digital detox. About this podcast, you're going to do a matching exercise. So different people are mentioned in the listening, and also the concept, digital detox. What is digital detox? And here you have several distractors. So you only have to join 4 sentences, okay? So this is extra. No se preocupen si hay una línea extra, porque todos los ejercicios los corrijo uno por uno manual, por lo tanto aquí no deben completar nada, son solo 4 oraciones, okay? So Rick Walker, and you choose. But here you have several distractors. Amanda Beans, Blake Snow, and digital detox. This one is too much. No. Some problem in the internal regulation of the exercise. So only 4 exercises. Okay, next. Again, on the same listening, you will listen to this statement and say whether it is true or false. Okay, next. Here is again an open, a short answer. It's an open question. There is no right or wrong. It's about you, yes, and your opinion on what would you do to do a digital detox. So you have to write between 150 to 200 words in your answer. So you can listen to the proposal of this digital detox and write your own answer. Remember, you also know a lot of vocabulary in relationship to technology, digital technology. So you already have some background to do the exercise. Finally, the last one is the writing. Yes, and this writing is a little bit longer than the previous ones. You have space here. And this is something we have been working in class with speaking, mostly with speaking. But now you will focus on writing, yes, on the strategies that you already know that we have been working in class. Yes, so no new strategies. You already know the strategies. You already know the vocabulary. Now you need to write about 2 instead of 1. Write about 2. So reread the work done in Unit 2, the impact of advances in technology, and decide on 2 strategies to use technology in education that you would use in schools in the Linares area. Pay attention to the following questions to guide your writing. As usual, you have questions, and these questions are the same we have discussed in class. So nothing new. What are the strategies you would like to report on? So there are 2 strategies instead of 1. What are their main characteristics, the benefits, the disadvantages? Sorry, I have to write an S. And how you would implement, or how could you implement the strategy, disadvantages, okay, in the Linares area, okay? So that's your opinion, that's personal writing, is open, each person has their own preferences, and therefore you will focus on the one of the strategies you know most and you would like to apply the most. Okay, so that is the complete test. As you see, it requires attention while you're reading, but doing the exercises are not long. You have to pay attention to the written sentences, exercises, write them on Word, yes, and then try to copy. If Educandos does not allow you to copy and paste, at the least you have a backup and you can write. In the extreme case that there is I don't know, a power breakdown, Educandos doesn't work, you write to me so that I can consider an extension, yes? But the test will finish at 23 59, yes, 11:59 p.m.